Hi, my name is Claire and I'm an inpatient coding auditor. In this medical coding minute, you will learn how to code a diagnosis of chronic cerebral vascular accident, otherwise known as a stroke. A chronic CVA is not the same thing as an acute CVA. Do not code this diagnosis as a current stroke. A chronic cerebral vascular accident should be coded as an old CVA. Referencing this term in the alphabetic index, you will see that code assignment depends on whether or not the patient has any sequela, meaning residual effects of the old stroke. If the patient has any sequela of the chronic cerebral vascular accident, such as hemiparesis or aphasia, then you code to the specific sequela of CVA. If the patient does not have any residual effects, then you simply code this as a history of CVA. I hope that you found this to be helpful, and if you did, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy coding.